Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are in good health. May God keep us protected. Welcome to Rise and Shine Public School, Class 5th, Subject Computer, Chapter number 2, Part 2. And the name of the chapter is Accounts and the Password. In the previous chapter, we have learned why it is necessary to create an account, the process of creating an account, how can we apply password to the account, and how can we change the name of the account. Now, in this specific chapter, we will learn some more option available while creating an account. Now, let's discuss. In the previous lecture, we have learned the process of creating an account. Now, let's start. How can we remove the password? So follow these steps to remove Safiullah Khan's account password. Number one step is open Saifullah Khan's account for making changes as described above. And the process of opening the Saifullah Khan account is described in the previous lecture. We will follow the same process. Now after opening the account, what we will do, we will click remove password. The window changes. When we will click this option, the window will change and the following will appear. Number 3, click remove password, the password gets removed. So if you press this option, which is highlighted with this rectangular box, remove password, the password would be removed. Next is changing the account picture. There is an option available. We can change the account picture. Now let's discuss how can we change the account picture. The previous process is as follows, as we have discussed above. Now what we will do, open Safiullah Khan's account for making changes. Click change picture option. What we gonna do, we gonna click the option change picture. It will give us a variety of another windows open, and it will give the variety of pictures. If you like to apply pictures other than these, follow these steps. These are customized picture which are given. If you want to apply pictures other than these provided picture, you can do the following. Number 1, open Safiullah Khan's account for making changes. Click change the picture, the window change and many pictures appear. Now what we gonna do, click browse for more picture. What we are going to do, you can see browse for more picture and other window open. When you click the browse for more picture and other picture, another window open, find the storage location of the picture and click the picture. What you are going to do, browse the more picture, you will press the location, storage location where more picture are present. Just click it and click the picture of your choice. Click open the picture for the account changes with the desired picture. The picture will be change. Now what in this topic, what we are going to discuss, change the account type. Only the administrator can change the account type. Okay, only administrator can change the account type. What is the process of changing the account? Open the Safiullah Khan's account for making changes. Click change the account type. As the name describe, what we are going to do, we are going to change the account type. Select the account type other than already selected. As when we were creating an account, we select the account type and it was the account type standard user. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change the account type. What we will do, click the change account type. The account type changes. For example, if the account is standard user, then you can select administrator. Next is deleting an account. Next is how can we delete an account. It is an opportunity in the while we create account, we can also delete the account. There is the procedure we can follow to delete the account. Open the account you want to delete. Click delete the account, the window changes. We click the delete the account, the window changes. Click any of the following: keep files, It moves the user's content and document item to the new folder with his name and deletes the account. Before deleting the account, if we click the delete button, it will give you the option keep the files. If we click this option, our data is saved to the save folder and data will be saved. Deleted files, it delete both the account and the user files. So if you click the delete file, your files or work you have done on your computer will be deleted. Click delete account to confirm the deletion. It would show you a confirmation box. Click the delete account and the account will be deleted. Now it is an option in the creating an account. We can create a guest account on and off. What is the process of creating the guest account on? We will follow the same process as we have discussed. No user account, if the person has no user account, they can use the computer through the guest account. It is possible only if the guest account is on. So if you want to create the guest account should be on. The administrator can turn the guest account on. The process is as follow. Open user account, click manage another account, click guest, click turn on. The guest account will be created. Turn off the guest account. If the guest account, the user of the guest account making harm to your data or your computer, you can turn it off. You can do it or turn it off by following these steps. Click open user account, click manage another account, click the guest account for making changes, click turn off the guest account. The guest account will be turned off. This was the process of turning the guest account off. Now deleting your account. Now we will discuss the process of deleting your account. Limited user cannot delete their own account. Number second, the administrator themselves cannot delete their own account. They will request to another administrator to delete their account. In this way, administrator's account will be deleted. Number three, if you are the only administrator, change the account type of some other user to administrator. So if you are the only administrator, first of all you will change the account type of the other standard user to administrator, then this administrator will delete your account. That's all from my side for today. I hope you have understand this chapter accounts and the password. uh, thank you so much. May God keep us protected.